Hello, everybody. This is Miss Myers again at SAC Prep. So this is going to be your tutorial video for your rhythm assignments this week for 3rd and 4th grade for the week of May 4th through May 8th. So you have 2 rhythm assignments this week. One of them I've already assigned to you, but didn't give you a due date. I'm giving you a due date on it now. So 36 of you, I think, have completed this already. So the rest of you need to complete this. This is just kind of a review of our previous rhythm assignments. And then there's a new one on rest. So let's get started. Let's go to our classroom. Okay, so let's scroll on down to rhythm. So this is the first one that I want you guys to complete. So if you haven't completed rhythm practice 1, I need you to do that first, okay? So it looks like I still have 44 of you who need to complete it, so get that done. But what you could do is you could look at the example, and I know it's kind of sideways, but you can see what I need you to look at is how many beats I wrote in each measure, and or also remember that there are 4 beats in a measure, okay? So this right here, I know it's sideways. 4 beats in a measure, that's the important thing to remember when you're answering this question down here. Okay, so let's get back to where the rhythm is. Where'd it go? Here we go. Okay, so rhythm exercise questions. Okay, click on the form, it opens up. So here was that rhythm practice. Look, there it is again. Remember, 4 4 equals 4 beats in a measure. Whoops, I don't want to move that. Okay, but you could see that 4 beats in a measure. How many counts are in each measure? Your answer should be 4. Okay, that should be your answer. I don't want to hear it or see any of that. You could type it in, or just number 4. You could type in the word 4. The answer needs to be 4. Okay, that's how many beats are in a measure here. And for some of you who have had trouble filling this out, I wanted it to look like, here, let me just get out of this for a second. No. Okay, I wanted it to look like the example, so I'll show you again because some of you were not really writing what you were supposed to be doing. So I wanted the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in each measure. So you see here's the bar line, okay? And then you're just gonna do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the bar line, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Obviously, you're not gonna write it out, you're gonna type it out, but either way, that's what I wanted it to look like. So some of you got half of it right, and some of you kind of guessed it, I could tell, but it's okay. I graded it anyway. But for those of you who haven't done it yet, that's what I want, okay? So, but regardless, you guys this week are going to come back and answer a rhythm exercise question right here, okay? Again, you're gonna open this up. Remember, 4 beats in a measure. That's the sentence that gives you the answer, okay? How many counts are in each measure? 4. So that's your first rhythm assignment, okay? Your second rhythm assignment has to do with quarter, half, and whole rest. Now, we've gone over these in word wall in my classroom. We've even practiced them in some of our songs. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open this. Remember how to remember what they look like and how many beats they get. So this is 1st and 2nd grade, but this is a really good picture to help you remember anyway what these are and look like. So don't worry about the fancy words at the top. You don't need to know that. You can see here that the first one we have is a whole note rest, okay? And that gets 4 beats, but it also gets 3 because remember, it has to also do with the time signature, okay? So it gets 3 or 4 beats of rest depending on the time signature, okay? And here they say it looks like a bat. It's upside down. It looks like a bat or it looks like an upside down hat, okay? The half note rest over here looks like the right side up hat. Okay, it gets 2 beats in a measure. It looks like a mini car. That's what they're saying, but I think it also looks like a hat that's right side up. Okay, so upside down hat is the whole rest. Right side up hat is the half rest. Okay, whole rest, half rest, and then we have this one, quarter rest. Okay, it gets 1 beat. It looks like a lightning bolt. I like that, okay? Don't worry about the eighth note rest. That's not on your quiz, okay? Just worry about these 3 over here. Whole rest, which gets 3 or 4. Half rest, which gets 2. Quarter rest, 1. Okay, and what they look like. So after you look at this picture, you're going to click out of this and you're going to come back and take your quiz. Okay, so here's your quiz on your rest. Okay, and you can see I put pictures below here, the questions. So if you forget what they look like, they're tiny, but you could see them. Okay, so how many beats does a half rest get? You need to pick one beat, 2 beats, or 3 and 4 beats. Okay, you're gonna write the answer in there like this. Oh, must be a number. So just a number. All I want is a number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, now for the one that gets 3, 4, you could go like this. Okay, you can go 34 if you want, or you could just type 3, or you could just type 4. Okay, I'm okay with it, whatever. So how many beats does a half rest get? It gets 2. Remember, the quarter rest, it gets 1. The whole rest gets 4. Excuse me. 3 or 4. Okay. And then you'll hit submit and you're all done with your quiz. Okay. So that's your rhythm assignments. This question about how many beats are in the measure and the rhythm exercise. Okay. And then your whole quarter, half, whole rest quiz based on what the picture is in the material. Remember, the little clipboard with the ribbon is material. The little clipboard with the writing, those are assignments. So you need to do these. Look at these, do these. Okay? So I'm only giving you this week 3 assignments to complete because some of you haven't completed any, and I want to make sure that you guys have enough time to complete all your assignments. So I don't want you to get so backed up that you're scrambling at the end of this month to finish everything, because that's not good, okay? It's not a good habit to get into. So do the rhythm assignments. I will be seeing you guys on Zoom this Thursday from 1 to 1:30 if you're in Laura's class or Flores' class, and then 1:30 to 2 if you're in Air's class or Vu's class. Okay, and we'll be taking questions then. All right, so I will see you soon.